Many Moodle sites do not allow participants to upload MP3 audio files or MP4 video files because it slows down the Moodle site. Now, this may happen on other platforms, but I'm referring to Moodle, where I teach fully online educators how to use AI and other tools for instruction and learning. So this is a course and a discussion forum. You can see that the editor is TinyMCE, and there is an upload of a file into the system. Now I'm going to show you today. You can't really do anything with it. You can't even download it. But what I do is I go into the HTML source code feature here and take out, notice here I can do it here, the MP4 file, copy it, go into a browser and paste it in my browser. And it goes into my computer. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my Google Drive and into New. Now that it's on my computer, I just have to go to File Upload. Now this is the same for audio files or for video files. In this case, it's just an audio. Hit File Upload, go into my system, and then notice it's finishing the upload. And here it is. Going to go into the three dots at the top right, click on that for more actions, and then I'm going to go into Share, and on the right, Share. Next, notice it's restricted. I'm going to unrestricted by going into anyone with the link, and then it's done. Of course, copy the link, go into my browser again, and this time I'm going to paste that so you can see what it looks like, and here it is. Now, if it's a heavy file, it'll take time for Google to open it up. Notice it says here that the file is an invalid format. So I'm not going to download it again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a free feature on CloudConvert, which means that CloudConvert can convert anything. And I'm going to select my file. And notice it sees it as an MP4, even though it's an audio file, which is kind of strange, right? So I'm going to change this, not to any, but the format is going to be MP3 audio. So I'll go into audio, make it MP3. There we go. Really simple, a few steps that could have been avoided, of course, but this is how we troubleshoot and fix. And then I'm going to go into convert. And this is what I do for anyone who does this in my Moodle site, which is a lot of work. So even though the instructions are there to only upload your MP3 or MP4 to Google Drive, your own Google Drive, after you download, of course, to your system, it still happens. So decided to create this video to help you understand the process. Now it's finished. I'm going to download it to my computer, and now it's an MP3. Let me show you that. It's an MP3. Going to go into Google Drive once again, and this time I'm going to upload it. Again, system here on Google Drive. Going to go into New at the top left there and File Upload. Going to take the MP3, right, and go through the same system. Going to go into the same system process that I did before. Go into Share and then Unrestricted. Anyone with the link, unrestricts it. Copy the link. Go into my browser window. Paste it in the browser window. Open it up after going into Enter. And because it's an MP3, it's going to come up real fast. I'm going to go into the Moodle. Here is the Moodle. I'm going to delete everything that was here in the HTML up to audio. Delete that and just paste this. That's all. And save. Now I don't have to paste it there. I can paste it directly in the message area because I've set the Moodle site to open any Google Drive files. and make them responsive. So notice it went from a link to an MP3, and then I can play it, right? I'm not going to play it, but that's it. That's how easy it is. So please like this video, add your comments with questions and just general feedback. Ask me questions. I love questions, and I love answering yours in the comment box under the videos. And have a great day.